This is the Kicada KM-MC10 portable directional microphone. It is a shotgun style microphone. It records in a cardioid pattern, meaning it records everything in front of it rather than what's to the side or behind it. What comes in the box is the microphone itself, the hot shoe, cold shoe with the shock mount that mounts directly on top of your camera. This works for DSLR cameras and mirrorless cameras, and it also works with your smart device such as a smartphone or even a tablet. Also, what comes in the box are two microphone cables. This black one is used for cameras. It has a label to let you know that this one is used for cameras. And then the other one, the one with the red tip, is used for smart devices like your smartphone or your tablet. It has a red tip and a label that shows a camera icon to let you know this is used for smart devices. Also, it comes in the kit is your dead cat wind muff to help prevent wind noise when you're outside or when you're indoors and there are vents that are blowing hard air. This will help block it. It also comes with a convenient carry pouch which will fit the microphone, the mount, and the cables, but it won't fit the dead cat on there. All right, so let's go ahead and connect everything and test it out with both my Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera, and then we're also going to use it and test out the audio quality with my Samsung S21 Ultra phone. Now, one other thing before we start testing is on the back of this microphone you have two ports. One is for the audio cables, and then the other one is actually used for playback monitoring through your headphones. It does not actively monitor. It's only for playback purposes. So my Canon EOS M50, it only has a microphone input. There is no headphone output. So when I'm using it with my Canon M50, I will not be able to play back the monitoring with my earbuds or headset. I will actually be hearing the sound coming out of the little speaker of my Canon EOS M50. But if your camera has a headphone or monitoring output, then you should be able to listen to it. Now, with that said, we should be able to hear the playback monitoring when using it with my Samsung S21 phone. So let's now go ahead and check out the audio quality for both those devices. Okay, so now I have the Kicada shotgun microphone connected to my Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera, and this is the audio quality of how everything sounds. Okay, so I stopped recording real quick to check out the quality of the recording on my computer, and the audio quality sounds great. Now, I did try to see whether it would playback monitor with the headphones in, and it actually came out, the audio quality came out muffled. So just FYI, do not plug in headphones into the back of the microphone when connecting to your camera, because for one, you won't be able to playback monitor unless that camera is able to, and number two, the audio is going to come out all muffled and you don't want that. But it sounded great just with the microphone connected to the camera. It was nice and crisp. Okay, so now I have the Kicada shotgun microphone connected to my Samsung S21 Ultra using the proper audio cable, the one with the red headphone tip, because like I said, you need to use some kind of adapter to plug it into your smart device if it's one of the newer style phones. If you have an older style phone that has a regular headphone mic input port, then you can use these cables just fine. But like I said, with my Samsung S21 Ultra, I'm using a 3.5mm to USB-C adapter to be able to use this Kicada microphone, and this is how the audio quality sounds. Now I have my earbuds connected to the back, so I should be able to play back the video from my phone and be able to listen to everything. Once again, this is not active monitoring, it is playback monitoring.